Stop one more time, she's going to jail.
Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Lens of Law. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. Officers at Universal Studios are dealing with a group being removed from the park when one guest begins challenging their efforts to get the situation under control. What starts as an escort quickly becomes more difficult as officers try to manage his behavior and move the group out. The breakdown starts now. With several people involved, officers have to balance the escort with managing the group as a whole. The more chaotic the scene becomes, the harder it is to communicate clearly and keep everyone moving in the same direction. Her behavior is adding another variable officers have to account for. Their attention can no longer stay focused on the escort alone. That divided attention makes coordination and clear communication increasingly important.
You guys trespassing them or what? Yeah? Okay. Alright. You're now trespassing on the property.
With the scene still chaotic, the priority is keeping the escort organized and preventing the group from dictating the pace. Officers staying coordinated here helps limit confusion while they work toward getting everyone out of the park.
Am I walking or not? I'm walking, right? All right then. Your ID number.
Stop one more time, she's going to jail.
Now the group's own behavior is creating additional safety concerns. Officers have to account for people becoming physical with each other while continuing the escort. That forces them to divide their attention across multiple potential problems at once.
You see what y'all doing? Y'all see what y'all doing? We came in to have a good time and y'all straight up about that. Y'all think that's cool?
Officers have reached the point where continuing the escort is no longer resolving the situation, so they're shifting to arrests. With multiple people involved, coordination becomes critical as they work to take each person into custody without creating additional problems.
I didn't resist at all. Hands on your back.
Hands on your back. Stop resisting. Put your hands on your back. Stop resisting.
With several arrests happening at once, even limited resistance can stretch officers' attention and resources. They'll need to control each person individually while staying coordinated with what's happening across the rest of the group.
Face the wall. Turn around, face the wall. Turn around, face the wall. Turn around, face the wall.
Continued resistance means officers now have to focus on securing control rather than moving quickly through the arrest. The longer that struggle continues, the more important coordination becomes so one arrest doesn't interfere with the others already underway.
Have a seat.
Hey, I'm a woman. I'm a woman. Know how to a woman. You stupid ass.
Even though she's already secured, her agitation still requires the officer's attention. Keeping her seated and limiting the back and forth helps prevent her frustration from disrupting the other arrests happening around them.
You're all going to jail for trespass after warning.
We're walking. No, we're walking. I'm not resisting.
And resisting.
I'm resisting, right? I can show y'all resisting, bro. I can show y'all.
With several people detained and still arguing, officers are managing the aftermath of multiple arrests at the same time. Keeping each person contained and accounted for helps bring structure back to a scene that's still unsettled.
Eyes over here on this side.
I'm gonna show y'all resisting.
We gotta get them in cars. I got one car.
That makes no sense, bro.
The incident ended with multiple members of the group being taken into custody. Officers explained to the two women why they were being arrested, but their argumentative behavior continued afterward. Freddie was charged with assault on a law enforcement officer, disorderly conduct, trespass after warning, and resisting an officer without violence. Court records show that some of those charges were later not pursued, while others were resolved through plea agreements. Details regarding the other members of the group who were taken into custody were not made public. What stands out here is how officers initially focused on getting the group out of the park, but their continued behavior eventually changed the direction of the encounter. What are your thoughts on how officers handled this situation? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think officers handled this one? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.